Hi, it's Hazel here with Travel on Trips, and today's episode is how not to overpack for a vacation. How? By using my Post-it note packing hack. Stay tuned. We've all done it, okay? Let's face it, we have all overpacked. Guilty right here. So recently we've decided to travel without checking a suitcase, okay? That's a challenge because I like to have all my things, and my husband, don't even get me started on him. He has to have all the things plus all the extra things. So we are traveling to Scotland with just a carry-on and a personal item, and I've been using the Post-it note packing hack for years, and it is especially important to use when you're only traveling with a carry-on. So this is how I do it in 7 easy steps. Step 1. You need to identify what your travel itinerary is. So please plan ahead. Where are you going? What are you doing? And what is the weather going to be like? Okay, so plan out your week's itinerary first so you have an idea of what it is in the back of your mind of the clothing style that you want to bring for this trip. Step 2, go raid your closet. You probably have more than enough clothes in your closet to bring on this trip, so you don't need to go on Amazon and start ordering all this stuff now, although you will have an opportunity to do that later. But go raid your closet first and see what do you have that you could bring on this trip. Gather everything. You're looking for bottoms and tops right now, so don't be concerned about all the accessories. We'll get to that later. Step 3, grab out a stack of Post-it notes. Now it's time to start writing. So on your Post-it note, you're going to write what day it is. You're going to write the day of the week if you choose to, what the weather is going to be, you think it's going to be, and where you're going to be, what location are you going to be at, what activities are you going to be doing. So put as much information as you can on that Post-it note. If you don't have an itinerary, well, take a guess. You're going to know, are you on a beach vacation? Are you traveling around Europe? Like, what style of vacation is it, and what type of clothing are you going to need? So you need one Post-it note for each day, and you're going to write down your activities that you plan to do on that day. If you don't know what your activities are, then you're going to have a day outfit and think about what you want to wear to dinner. Can you wear that same outfit, or do you need something a little dressier for in the evening? Step 4, you're going to now take all the clothes that you've gathered and you're going to stack them into daily piles. So you need a bottom and a top for each day of the week that you're going to be on this trip. So try to organize it, be strategic about what it is you're placing in each pile, and keep in mind that weather pending, you might want to swap out outfits, and that is totally okay. Okay, step 5, I want you to try your outfits on. Now that you've gathered them together and you've pieced them together, do you like what you chose? So put it back on, make sure you like it. This is your opportunity to swap it out. Okay, you can change if you need to. Step 6, we're gonna see if everything fits in our suitcase. So don't worry about folding it neatly. Just put everything in the suitcase. Make sure that the amount of clothing that you're bringing fits inside your suitcase. If it doesn't and you have something that is too bulky, then you're gonna need to take it out and replace it with something else. Now is your chance to do that. I forget what step I just said. Step 7 is to put it all together. So now you got to put a pair of underwear, a bra, a pair of socks, all the accessories that you need for each daily outfit to make your life happy. Somebody's here. Speaking of which, that's an Amazon delivery for my trip to Scotland. Those are my shoes. Okay, congratulations. Now that you've completed all the steps, you can think about your shoes and your jackets on top of that. So you see all your individual outfits. You've got them fully completed with bottoms, tops, socks, underwear, bra, everything that you need. Think about what shoes you're going to wear. You try to want to limit the shoes to 2, 3 max, and make sure that they fit with all the different outfits that you have. And then, of course, if it's cooler weather, you need a jacket, well, throw a jacket in there. So in Scotland, we are going to be traveling for about 10 days. I am bringing 3 pairs of shoes, a pair of running shoes, a pair of waterproof hiking boots, and a pair of Croc flats that I can wear dressy or to the beach. And then I have 3 jackets, a very, very thin raincoat. It's the UK, let's face it. I have a puffer jacket for like cooler, windy weather, and then I have a casual jacket, which I'm gonna bring onto the plane so it doesn't take up space in my suitcase. And that's it. I have a couple scarves that I'm gonna bring. And then anything else accessory-wise is gonna go in my personal item, and I will do another video on that, so please stay tuned for that. And I think that's about it. So now what I do is I take all my daily outfits, I put them into my packing cubes. I get the kind that compress so they have a center zipper around it so they go nice and small. And then I pack my carry-on case, and I don't have to worry about anything because I know that I'm covered for every day of my vacation. I have a full, complete outfit that fits me and that I feel happy in. Okay? So don't be like my husband and overpack. I love you, honey, but let's face reality. And also too, one thing to keep in mind, keep the Post-it notes with your outfit. So when you open up your packing cube and you go to take out your first outfit, everything is together in one set. Okay, you're just gonna take it out and that's what you're gonna wear for the day. If the weather is really, really bad and this is not the right outfit for that day, swap it out with another day. Just switch your sticky notes and then you've still got your completed package, okay? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and please leave me a comment. What do you think about this sticky note, Post-it note packing hack? Does it work for you? Have you tried it? Do you do something similar? If you'd like to see other videos, please leave a comment below and I will do my best to make another video for you. Until then, I hope to see you travel on trips. Till next time, bye.